So another question on linear equation in two variables. Places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and the another from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours, and if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. So you have to calculate the speeds of the two cars. So for this question, we are going to take two conditions. So first of all, let us assume the speed of the car from point A as x km/h and the speed of car from point B as y km/h. This is what I have done over here. So we assume that, like, we make the figure, these are point A and B, which are 100 km apart, and let us assume if they are traveling in the same direction, they meet at point C. So the distance that will be traveled by from point A will be AC, and from B will be equal to BC. So we'll calculate the distances by using the formula distance is equals to speed into time. So for car A, the distance will be AC, that is speed, that is x, and time is 5x. And for point B, the distance will be BC, that is speed y, and the time taken is 5, that is 5y. Now if you see the figure, clearly you can see that AC minus BC is equals to AB, correct? So this is what I've done over here. So AC, that is 5x, we have calculated. BC 5y, that is equals to 100. So clearly you can see there is a common factor between 5x and 5y, that is 5. When we solve it, we get x minus y is equals to 20. That is termed as equation number 1. Now case 2, when they travel towards each other, so we'll make the figure again. So let us say that somewhere in the middle they meet somewhere at middle at point C between A and B. So the distance traveled by point A from point A will be AC, and point B, the distance will be BC. So AC again, and they have mentioned over here the time taken when they traveled in the different towards each other, it is 1 hour. So now the distance AC will be equal to the speed, that is x, and time, that is 1, that is only x, and distance BC will be equal to speed y, distance into time, speed into time, the speed is y and time is 1, that is y. So here you can see clearly AC and BC, when add up they become AB, that is 100. So AC, that is x, BC, that is y, it is equals to 100. We get equation number 2. Now when we solve this equation number 1 and equation number 2 by the elimination method, we'll get the value y and y gets cancelled. We'll do the addition over here. 2x makes 120 and x comes out to be how much? 60, and substitute the value either in equation 1 or equation 2. You get the value of y, that is equals to 90 km/h. So that is the answer. So please like and subscribe my